Have you ever been caught completely off guard? Maybe it was an unexpected question during a meeting, or someone asked you to give a toast with no warning. That heart-racing, mind-blanking feeling is something we've all experienced. But what if I told you that handling these high-pressure moments with confidence and ease is a skill you can master? Today, we'll break down proven techniques to help you think fast and talk smart, no matter the situation. Hi everyone, welcome to PageTurners BookCafe, your go-to place for life-changing ideas from incredible books. In today's video, we're diving into the world of spontaneous speaking, inspired by Matt Abraham's Think Faster, Talk Smarter, and lessons from the renowned Think Fast, Talk Smart Communication Techniques Workshop. Many people believe great communicators are born. But the truth is, spontaneous speaking is a learnable skill. If you've ever been nervous in meetings, stumbled in social events, or felt stuck when put on the spot, this video is for you. By the end, you'll have actionable techniques to overcome fear and perfectionism, respond clearly under pressure, and engage your audience with confidence. Let's jump right in. And the perfection trap, dare to be dull. Our biggest obstacle when speaking spontaneously is ourselves. We want every word to be perfect, but striving for perfection actually gets in the way of effective communication. Think of it like the game Shout the Wrong Name. The harder you try, the more mistakes you make. Instead, dare to be dull. Focus on getting your point across, even if it's not eloquent. Clear beats clever every time. Pro tip: next time you're asked something unexpected, remind yourself, good enough is good enough. Share your thoughts plainly and refine your message if needed later. 2. Reframe the moment from threat to opportunity. When faced with spontaneous speaking, many of us go into fight or flight mode. Our brains scream, don't mess up. But what if you flipped the script? Instead of seeing the situation as a challenge, view it as an opportunity to share your perspective. For example, if your boss asks for your opinion, don't think, I have to nail this. Instead think, here's a chance to offer my unique viewpoint. This simple mindset shift reduces stress and boosts your performance. 3. Slow down and listen. Stand there, don't just do something. We often get so focused on what to say next that we miss the real question. Remember this mantra. Don't just do something, stand there. Pause, breathe, and truly listen. Pro tip: paraphrase the question back to ensure you understand. For example, if I hear you correctly, you're asking about. This shows you're engaged and buys you time to gather your thoughts. 4. Use simple structures for clear responses. Even in spontaneous moments, structure helps. 2 easy frameworks. Problem solution, benefit. Identify the issue, propose a solution, and explain the benefit. What so, what now, what. Explain what's happening, why it matters, and what action to take. Example: if asked about improving customer service, you might say, 1. We've noticed response times are slow. Problem: implementing live chat could speed things up. Solution: which would increase customer satisfaction. Benefit. 5. The ADD method for on-the-spot answers. ADD stands for answer the question directly, detail with a concrete example, describe the value or relevance. Example: when asked, how do you handle deadlines? You might say, 1. I prioritize tasks by urgency. Answer: like when I led a project with a tight 2-week window. Detail: this helped our team deliver ahead of schedule, improving client trust. Value. 6. Giving feedback with the 4 I's. Feedback can be tricky, but the 4 I's make it easier. Information: share objective observations. Impact: explain the effects. Invitation: collaborate on solutions. Implications: discuss potential outcomes. 7. Manage anxiety. Stay present. Feeling nervous? Ground yourself with techniques like 1. Physical activity, like take a quick walk, listening to calming music. 3. Counting backward from 100 to 0, or saying tongue twisters to loosen your speech muscles. 8. Avoid mental shortcuts. Beware of heuristics, those mental shortcuts that limit creativity. Stay open to new ideas by questioning assumptions and thinking beyond the obvious. 9. Use conversational language. Avoid stiff formal language. Speak naturally to create a connection. Instead of saying, it is advised to consider, say, think about this. 10. Practice, practice, practice. Spontaneous speaking gets easier with repetition. Rehearse mock scenarios or practice impromptu speaking prompts with a friend. Spontaneous speaking isn't about perfection, it's about connection. By shifting your mindset, using simple structures, and practicing regularly, you'll become more confident, compelling, and effective. Remember, every unexpected speaking moment is an opportunity to grow. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more practical insights, and share it with friends who want to improve their communication skills. Want to dive deeper? Check out Speaking Up Without Freaking Out and Matt Abraham's Think Faster, Talk Smarter, both available on Amazon. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching PageTurners Book Cafe. See you in the next video.